Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Shopsy and signing in. This ensures results are personalized. Next, tap the search bar and choose the camera or image icon to start an image search. Once done, grant camera and storage permissions if the app asks. This lets you upload a photo or take one in real time. Make sure your image is clear and well lit because quality affects matching accuracy. Now you're ready to capture or pick the image to search with. You should now select an existing photo or take a new one, then crop tightly around the product so Shopsy focuses on the correct object. After that, use available quick edits. Rotate, zoom, or tweak brightness to improve detection. This helps the algorithm ignore background clutter. Once the image looks right, add one or two keywords or pick a category to refine results further. Doing both visual and text cues increases precision and speeds up finding exact or similar items. You'll see a list of visually similar items and matching listings. Scan prices, brands, seller ratings, and shipping options to compare. If you want fewer results, apply filters like price range, brand, or rating, then save favorites or contact sellers directly. If matches look irrelevant, try one troubleshooting step. Retake the photo with plain background and better lighting, or broaden keywords to include a generic term. This combination of
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.